Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situations. So let's see what are your energies, Aquarians. So on your side we have the Star. On your person's side, the Wheel of Fortune. Beautiful. The most likely outcome on this situation. Oof, the Five of Cups. Doesn't seem to be that good. What's happening here? So on your side we have the Star. So it's wishing and dreaming for things to come true. Really seeing somebody here as wish fulfillment. With the Wheel of Fortune, destiny is changing. Things are on a positive side, but the most likely outcome is the Five of Cups. So somebody here, perhaps both of you are not happy. Let's see what that is. So let's clarify the Star on your side, Aquarians. Okay, so let's clarify the Star on your side. So for the Star we have the Two of Wands, the Ten of Cups and the Justice. Okay, let's clarify the Wheel of Fortune on your person side. So for the Wheel of Fortune we have the King of Swords, the Knight of Swords, okay, and the Page of Wands. Okay, let's see. Let's clarify the Five of Cups here. So for the Five of Cups we have the Seven of Wands, the Temperance and the Eight of Cups. Okay, so Aquarians, for the Star we have the Two of Wands, the Ten of Cups and the Justice. So you viewed this person as your happily ever after. Okay, you wanted a commitment with them, you wanted a relationship with them, and still you wanted, you're waiting for things to be okay, you are waiting for things to be balanced, you want them to be with you, you cannot stay without them. Okay, according to you they are your person, their dream come true, you want a relationship with them, or maybe you were already in a relationship with them. Somehow that is what I'm feeling here also. For some of you, already you people were in a relationship. That's what the energy I got. I'll tell you that. But yes, for some of you it may be that you are waiting for this person to commit to you, you want a commitment from them. It can be that. For some of you, I'm definitely getting that you people were in a relationship and somebody has quit the relationship, and that is what the change is about here with the Wheel of Fortune. So even if you were with them or you were wanting to be with them in any situation, what I feel is with the Knight of Swords, King of Swords, the Knight of Swords and the Page of Wands, somehow what I feel is this person has made a rapid exit from this situation. Okay, they have liberated themselves from this situation. Something has gone, I don't know what happened in their mind, what they thought, what happened to them. Maybe they found their passion somewhere else, or maybe they wanted a liberation from this, I don't know. But there's somebody here has definitely left. So it's like there was a relationship or a potential of a committed relationship, and somebody has made a quick exit out of it. As simple as that. For whatever reason it is. Five of Cups. So the Five of Cups is the most likely outcome. We have the Seven of Wands, the Temperance and the Eight of Cups. So here definitely, as somebody has made an exit of the relationship, somebody has, and this exit can be a secret exit also. Sort of like you didn't even know that they are about to leave. It's like quickly they just left you. They stopped talking to you. They stopped texting you. They stopped calling you. They stopped attending your calls. Can be that also. So this person is not into the relationship anymore. Okay, that is what it is, and they have totally found their happiness. It's, to me it looks like as if they are liberated themselves, they freed themselves from this, definitely. Okay, this person is definitely not responding to you now. For the Five of Cups we have the Seven of Wands, the Temperance and the Eight of Cups. So definitely trying to be at peace, trying to balance the situations, trying to deal with whatever it is right now, and then finally able to release the situation and let it go. So I really don't see any coming back, at least for as far as this reading is concerned, in the near future, or you can say for this month, what lies ahead, I really don't see any getting back together. So what I feel is that you will be able to, whosoever is in pain so much, and I feel it's you here, who is still waiting for them, still slowly and steadily you will be able to get over that pain. You will be able to sort it out in within yourself, and you will be able to release it and let them go, and leave. You will be able to let go of the situation yourself also. Guidance from this deck, number 22, may be of some significance for you. The heart of the matter. There is more going on than meets the eye. So that is very powerful over here. So perhaps this is what has happened unexpectedly. As I said, it was a quick exit. You really didn't know what's going on deep within, and somebody here has really made a quick exit. Now they're just not responding to you. So perhaps there was something else which was going on and you were not aware of it. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.